Hi guys, this is Dolly enjoying oh, little pat on the back of her head. We have to be very quiet because, yeah, okay. So it was just a little pet. Um, but if we are very quiet and I'm sorry, it's shaking up. It's just I'm in the distance here, and so we're just trying. Dolly used to bite, and we're trying to help her to learn not to bite. So she was having a little pat time then on the back of the head. She was really enjoying that, as you saw. Her mummy's giving her a pat. Dolly's very excited um, to have a talk. Well, she has been talking. All right, I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet. That's wonderful, Dolly. You did well. Yeah, I know. Yeah, like I was trying to say, Dolly's very excited to have a chat, but right now she's having a quiet time. And like I said, we're trying to, not me so much, because I'm the one who feeds her, um, but her mummy Alex gives her the pats and the love. Like, she's a funny little bird. It's like we have different roles for her. So if Alex tries to change her feed bowl or a food bowl, she'll actually try to attack her. But if I change her, when I change her food and her water, she doesn't attack me at all. But at the same time, I can't pat her like that. Um, or, give her a little pat on the back of the neck. Where's she gone? Okay. But yeah, so this is the thing with female birds. They can be a bit funny, but at least she's not actually trying to rip her Alex's finger off, because there was a time when was like that, and she drew blood many a times on us. So she has come a long way in calming down, and we're very proud, aren't we, Dolly? Do you want to say? Yes, she was excited earlier, but she's not talking right now because she's having quiet. She's checking out her mummy there, and she might do a little love dance or something if she's in the mood. It's hard to tell what she wants to do right now. She's aware that I'm talking as well, so it doesn't help, because usually when she has her pet time like that, I'm usually very quiet. So, but anyway, I hope you all have a beautiful week ahead. Love to all, and stay safe out there. Bye for now, guys.